Hello everyone, this is Alessandra from Crest Optics. Welcome to this instructional video series, which will take you straight to the heart of the X-Lite V3 spinning disc technology and applications. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the X-Lite V3 spinning disc system. The complete setup includes a microscope, which in this case is a Nikon TI2, the X-Lite V3 confocal, a multi-line laser, 1 or 2 cameras, and then the software that is used for image acquisition and analysis. We have the possibility of working with lasers from near UV to near IR, enabling a variety of applications. This, for example, allows you to cover the most common fluorophores in the market or perform very well spectrally separated multi-channel imaging. Laser light is directly coupled to the V3 through an SMA fiber which is provided with the source. Microlenses are used to homogenize this light at the sample plane. All filters to separate excitation and emission light are motorized and triggerable, which gives you the possibility of performing very fast multi-channel acquisitions. In addition to that, the system can be operated in bypass mode, so you can switch between wide field and confocal in an automated way. The V3 is equipped with 2 camera ports. This gives you the possibility of performing dual-color simultaneous imaging or to use cameras with different properties to match the best camera to each of your applications. Typically, spinning disc confocal is associated to live cell imaging. However, the combination of field of view, speed and sensitivity enable the V3 confocal to be used for a variety of applications, going from cell imaging but also imaging of small organisms and tissue samples. Yes, the X-Lite V3 confocal can upgrade any high-end microscope from the major vendors available on the market, and the setup can be either upright or inverted.